Welcome back, friends. Today, we've got something special in store for you because we're diving deep into a topic you'll probably perk up about: how to become a billionaire from scratch. Yes, you heard that right. You can achieve billionaire status starting with absolutely nothing. Now, before we jump into the 15 key steps, let's set the stage. As of today, there are over 2,600 billionaires in the world, and that number is steadily on the rise. But here's the kicker. Most of these billionaires didn't inherit their wealth. Nope, they built their fortunes from the ground up. How did they do it? Well, it's a fascinating journey, and we're about to break it all down for you. Before we begin, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. We're going to bring you new content daily, loaded with tips, tricks, and secrets the wealthy rarely share. Let's get it started! Step 1. Unleash your inner entrepreneurial spirit. To become a billionaire from scratch, it's crucial to embrace your inner entrepreneur. While some may have a natural inclination for entrepreneurship, anyone can embark on this journey with determination and a strong work ethic. Consider the early entrepreneurial experiences of luminaries like Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, Mark Cuban, and Richard Branson. They initiated their business endeavors at a remarkably young age, teaching themselves essential skills that would later propel them to success. Starting early not only provides a head start, but also offers ample time to acquire the vital skill of persuading others to invest in your vision, which is at the heart of entrepreneurship. Step 2. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is akin to building a solid foundation for your entrepreneurial journey. It goes beyond merely gaining knowledge. It's about developing comprehensive skill set and deep expertise in various facets of business. Your commitment to lifelong learning will pay dividends in the long run. Explore diverse resources such as books, audiobooks, online courses, and seminars to accelerate your growth. Starting this self-improvement journey early allows you to amass the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the competitive world of business. Step 3. Master the fundamentals. Mastering the fundamentals is the cornerstone of success. These fundamentals encompass a wide array of skills and qualities that form the bedrock of your entrepreneurial journey. They include becoming a self-learner, mastering self-motivation and discipline, managing time efficiently, excelling in sales, effective communication, financial literacy, and the ability to build and scale businesses. Proficiency in these areas not only enables you to run your own ventures, but also equips you with the knowledge required to make informed decisions in the ever-evolving business landscape. Step 4. Embrace failure. Failure is not a final destination, but a stepping stone toward success. It's vital to recognize that setbacks and failures are integral parts of the entrepreneurial path, particularly when starting from scratch. In the early stages of your journey, you may lack the knowledge, skills, and experience to avoid pitfalls entirely. However, every failure presents a valuable lesson that propels you closer to your ultimate goals. Rather than fearing failure, embrace it as an opportunity for growth, learning, adaptation, and continuous improvement. Remember that many of the world's most successful billionaires have faced numerous obstacles and setbacks before reaching their lofty heights. Step 5. Sacrifice and prioritize. Achieving billionaire status from scratch requires unwavering dedication and the ability to prioritize your business above all else. Understand that entrepreneurship often demands significant sacrifices. This may involve dedicating extensive hours to your venture, placing it ahead of personal relationships, and even sacrificing leisure and well-being to achieve your objectives. The path to becoming a billionaire is arduous, and not everyone is prepared to make the sacrifices necessary to attain this level of success. However, for those willing to prioritize their dreams, the potential rewards are substantial. Step 6. Learn the landscape. In the initial decade of your entrepreneurial journey, immerse yourself in the world of business and entrepreneurship. Conduct extensive research and study various success stories, market dynamics, and emerging trends. This phase lays the groundwork for your entrepreneurial knowledge, offering insights into how industries evolve and identifying opportunities aligned with your skills and capabilities. Building a strong foundation of knowledge during this phase is essential for making informed decisions and strategic moves as you progress. Step 7. Build your network. Your network is not merely a collection of contacts, it is a strategic asset on your path to billionaire status. Cultivate relationships with like-minded individuals who share your ambition and drive. These connections will evolve into mentors, partners, and invaluable allies who can open doors to opportunities you might not have encountered otherwise. Building a robust network allows you to tap into collective wisdom, experience, and resources, significantly accelerating your growth and minimizing the isolation that can often accompany entrepreneurship. Step 8. Sell your first business. Selling your first business is a testament to your entrepreneurial prowess and serves as a pivotal point in your journey. It demonstrates your ability to conceptualize an idea, execute a business plan, and generate tangible value. Beyond financial gain, this milestone enhances your credibility as you pursue larger and more ambitious projects. The proceeds from the sale can also provide significant capital for your future ventures, allowing you to scale up your entrepreneurial endeavors. Step 9. Embrace the digital. As of 2020, geographical barriers have largely dissolved in the business landscape. Armed with little more than a laptop and an internet connection, aspiring entrepreneurs can access global markets and opportunities that were once out of reach. This digital revolution levels the playing field, enabling determined individuals to compete on a global scale. This digital empowerment allows you to reach a global audience and explore opportunities beyond your local boundaries. Step 10. Cross the $1 million threshold. Surpassing the $1 million mark is not merely a financial milestone. It signifies your entry into a realm where significant wealth creation becomes feasible. Once you've achieved this threshold, you can shift your focus to strategies and opportunities that have the potential to multiply your wealth exponentially. This pivotal moment marks the beginning of your journey toward the coveted billion-dollar status. Step 11. First mover advantage. In the world of business, timing is often as crucial as the idea itself. To gain a significant edge, aim to be a first mover in your chosen niche. Being the first to introduce a novel solution or innovative product to the market allows you to establish a strong foothold before competitors can catch up. Take inspiration from examples like Elon Musk's electric cars, where companies like Volkswagen and Ford are trying to catch up. Recognize that the first mover advantage is typically driven by social and technological changes, and being at the forefront of these shifts can be immensely profitable. Step 12. Expand your reach. Once you've proven the viability of your solution or product, it's time to expand your reach to new geographies and markets. Scaling up is a critical phase in your entrepreneurial journey. The revenue generated can be used to develop new solutions and broaden your impact. Often, businesses at this stage secure additional rounds of investment, which can be instrumental in further growth. Understand that expansion involves calculated risks, strategic planning, and adapting to the unique demands of different markets. Step 13. The monopoly game. Building a multi-billion-dollar business requires making a substantial impact on a vast number of people. The top industries with the most billionaires typically include technology, finance, real estate, fashion, and manufacturing. These industries influence almost every aspect of modern life. Consider how you can either achieve economies of scale to produce goods more efficiently or innovate to disrupt existing markets. Monopolizing a niche in your industry is a game changer. It can result from offering a product or service that's significantly more efficient or cost-effective, effectively sidelining competitors. Step 14. Exit strategy. As your business matures, you'll face a crucial decision, whether to sell your business or continue scaling it. Selling your business can be a lucrative option, as it demonstrates your ability to execute and can lead to substantial financial gains. High-profile examples include Facebook's acquisitions of Instagram and WhatsApp. On the other hand, if you opt to scale your business, relentless execution becomes paramount. The ability to continually innovate, adapt, and outmaneuver competitors is essential. The outcome depends on your goals and the value you see in your business's potential. Step 15. Secure your billionaire status. Finally, once your entrepreneurial journey has led to substantial wealth, it's essential to secure your billionaire status. This involves diversifying your investments, making wise choices in assets like land, real estate, art, and shares in other companies. Long-term thinking is crucial. Aim to protect and grow your wealth over time. This level of wealth brings the responsibility to contribute to the betterment of society, whether through philanthropy, supporting charitable causes, or investing in innovations that can positively impact the world. Your journey doesn't end with financial success. It's an opportunity to make a lasting difference and inspire the next generation of entrepreneurs. Becoming a billionaire from scratch is a monumental endeavor that combines a mix of innate entrepreneurial spirit, relentless dedication, lifelong learning, strategic networking, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more valuable content. We've also handpicked some videos for you to watch next, so dive in and keep learning. Until next time, wealth enthusiasts!